Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a great Monday morning. Yeah, so I'm just here. I have some things that just came in from HSN. I'll have the links to whatever is available. Those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase times to those links, and those will be in the description box. And I get questions daily about where the description box is, and it's right under the title. It depends on what you're using. If you want to expand the title, you can click on the title. You can click on the little show more. It says words down here somewhere that say show more, or the little like triangle. And that's with any YouTuber that you watch. If there's links or somewhere that they, want to have more information or a link to another video, whenever they say that, that's where it is. Okay, so it's in the description box, not in the comments normally. But yeah. And then, oh, here comes the trash man. So I guess it's 6 o'clock. I'm telling you, they come here 6 o'clock on the dot in the morning on Mondays. If you're in the swap, please remember to send your swap back in by the 19th. All right, so up until the 19th, you have to turn in, and so make sure you're getting that done. Yeah, I think that's it. So I did order some things from the Tonic Vault sale. I think that's over now because it was 7 days and it started last Monday. So I think it's ended if it's not ending in the next few hours. And then Spellbinders has a summer sale that I'm not sure if it's still on yet or not either, but those are just a couple other things. So I am going to obviously haul those when they get it. Okay, so this is, oh, okay, yeah. Wait, no, what is this? Oh, okay. I didn't know this came with a mat, so now I have plenty of mats. This is the Cricut Joy Foil Transfer Kit. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll use this today. I was going to do something else today, but you know what? We will try this out today. Well, maybe I'll do both videos. So what happened is yesterday on Sunday, I made 3 videos, but they were for launches that are going to come out like later. So I didn't have time to make videos really for Sunday other than a light review that I did on this light that I've been using the last week or so. Which is kind of interesting. I keep it on a natural setting, but either way, I didn't get a chance to do any of those things, and I wanted to do the Year of Craft that just came in from Crafter's Companion through HSN. And so I thought, okay, I'll do that today, but after Miranda goes to school, her little summer program, I think I'll have plenty of time to make videos. So this shouldn't take too long. But it does have the foil transfer sheets, the insert cards, the transfer kit, and the card mat. And I didn't realize, well, there's 24 in here. I mean, that's not a little bit, but that's not that much either. Cute. Okay, well, yeah, we'll try this out later. So again, that's not a heat foil. That little bit doesn't heat up. It's just pressure. So I'm wondering if some of the other foils I have will work, like the cold foils, because that's basically what cold foil is, right? I mean, it isn't, not that it responds to pressure, but like it gets glued down. So I guess in a way that's pressure, no? Yeah, we can try it, I guess. Oh, yeah, I did pick up some new plates. I have plenty of these, but you never know. So my clear cutting plates for the Gemini Junior, which the ones I use look like this right now. A little bit bowed. They still work, but they are kind of ugly and they're starting to put marks on my papers. So maybe it's time to retire them. I don't know. Or at least keep them. I don't really throw things like this out. I just, put them away for later. But they still cut. And the same ones I've had since I bought this machine, what, 2 years ago? I don't know. So I did get some of those. Let's see here. Oh, okay, so this stuff did come in from Cricut instead of, even though I ordered it through HSN, Cricut's been sending in their own things, so even the other box came from Cricut. So I did get some transfer tape. I had mentioned that I was thinking about getting this one. It's just cut down to size, but at the same time, it's just 240 feet of it. So the other piece that I have came with a different kit. It came with the Explorer tube. So there's not a lot of it, and I'm cutting into it, so I'd rather use this, And then I did pick up the Black Smart Vinyl again, the 20 feet roll. Which I think with the coupon I had at the time ends up being $20. So I'm like, well, that's pretty good, I guess. So I have those. So that's in black vinyl. Oopsie, what was that? I was going to mention that everything that I ordered pretty much has shipped. The diamond press stuff has shipped now. And then there's 2 things I think from Griffin that are still extended delivery. No, 3. It's the 2 envelope dies that I did pick up, and then the shutter auto ship, the shutter card auto ship. So I don't know. Oh, I didn't open this box. Hold on. So hopefully they'll ship soon. I know a lot of you guys said your stuff was also on extended delivery. So pretty much everything from Craft Day has shipped, and this is pretty much everything other than, like I said, the diamond press stuff that just now shipped. Okay, yeah. the Anna Griffin Cutaway Circle dies. So pretty. Actually, after I ordered this, I thought, hold on, because I know she's been selling the dies that come in like the finishing schools separately. And if you don't have a keen eye, you're going to order them again, because that's how I am, at least. But these, she didn't say that about these, and they do look different than the ones that are in the China cabinet ship or finishing school. Because those usually have several dies, and these are only like 4 each. And I know when Anna was talking about, she didn't say that they came from that, you know what I'm saying? And they do look very different, so, but maybe that's just me. Let me know. This one looked familiar, to be honest. I thought, oh, okay, that's the one. But then I was like, wait, maybe not. All right, hopefully they're not repeats. But then I figured, well, with my channel, if they are, they can be given away easily. It's not a big deal. And then what else do we have in here? And 3D Fancy French Frames. Now reading that, I'm like, do I already have these? I thought they said they were new, but a lot of times they'll say new, and it's something I might have already had. These are awesome. Look at that. Oh, I love that design right there. So that pushes in. That's embossing right there. Wow. So pretty. But there's a couple sets in here. It's not just that one that you're looking at there. Let me open this real quick. Oh, sorry. Tons of die. Oh my gosh, yeah. I don't remember seeing these before. I mean, I know she has other ones that are called like Fancy French Frames or whatever. These are really delicate looking. Even the look of the die itself looks very different. I don't know how to explain it. Like the color of the die. I don't know. It's so pretty. My God. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 in here. And on this one, probably the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It just looks like a ton. And the delicate, look at this. These are really pretty. So that is the, like I said, if they're available, I'll have the link there. The 3D Fancy French Frames. Oh, I love that. All right, and then this. What is this? It does not say. All right, let's, sorry. This is the last thing I have here. And then I'll wait for my little diamond press things to come in. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, it's just, let's see. I'm gonna drop a box. I think at the time I had a coupon. I must have had a coupon because I normally don't just buy the paper packs from HSN, even though they're there, and that's great because they come in really quickly. A lot of times I'll find them like on Craft Stash and stuff. But this is the Crafter's Companion Full Blooms paper pad, and I love the stuff that was in here because I'm thinking traveler's notebooks or journals and all these little bits and pieces that we can put in the pockets and then just have them there to decorate with as we go through. Let me look at all that fun stuff that's in there to pop out. And then the paper, which actually I didn't realize is single-sided, but that's okay. Look at how pretty. Kind of interesting that it's single-sided. A lot of times Crafter's Companion is double-sided, but I mean, this is just so pretty. Love it. I love everything on this. And it's a good thick. It's not like super, super thick, but I don't know how to explain that. Hopefully you can kind of tell by the way I'm touching it there. It doesn't, 180 GSM. Look at that. Love it. Really, really pretty paper pack. Alright guys, well that's it for right now. I will be back in just a little bit, I suppose, with the foil transfer kit. Alright guys, I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.